Looking for a Magsafe phone ring holder that you can remove so you can put your phone on a Magsafe charger? Stay tuned. You need to know this. Here it is. The Super One Magsafe phone ring holder. Nice little package. Kind of like the way they did it. Cut the tape here and you pop it open. Pretty nice. Oh, look at that grate there. Open her up. Instructions and everything right there. Looks like you have to use some 3M and stick the actual ring to the back of a metal plate, a magnet plate. Nice sleeve. Packaging pretty nice. This will be the magnet, I guess. Oh yeah, that is a magnet. So let's put it together. Didn't know you'd have to put it together. Wipe that off a little bit. Try and get her centered up. Just like that. So we got a little plastic coating here you can pull off if you want. Wow, that is strong against flat metal. That metal tape. Let's see what it does on a phone here. Of course, my phone has been cut out. This was an OtterBox. Show you here. This is the plastic I cut off the first part of the OtterBox case, and then I cut the rubber out. Show you why in another video. Found me a good Magsafe charger. Anyway, wow. For being just straight to the back of that phone, that works real good. I have to find me a phone case, see how that works. I grabbed my wife's phone. She got a Magsafe case on her phone. But yeah, that works. You can twist it. And pretty easy to twist. Of course, I don't have any rubber or plastic back. There is no rubber or plastic on this back side, so it twists pretty easy on the back of just the phone, but it holds tight. Plug real hard. I don't know. That's really nice. I hope it's just as good with a case. That's nice. Take it off, put it on your Magsafe charger. Very nice. Look at that. Pretty slim. Show you here. This rubber, how thick it was together here. It was. The case was this thick. It's just a little thicker here than the actual OtterBox case. Pretty neat. Very nice. Let's see. Stiff enough to hold. I was wondering how stiff this would be. It's stiff enough to put your phone where you want it. Yeah, it holds it. Very nice. How high will it go? Hello, will it go? Nope. Not that one. Oh yeah. Very nice. Like it. Hey, getting anything out of this review? Like and subscribe. Alright, finally got my wife's phone. And I must say, I think it really fits. I think it fits snugger with the Magsafe actual case. I think there's an extra magnet in the case. It seems like it's harder to pull off, and it gives a better grip on the twist. Take it down the table here. It definitely sticks where you put it better with the case. Very nice. I like it. Let's see. Side by side. That's bareback on the iPhone. I think there's a better bond with the Magsafe cases than just the iPhone. Yep, there is. Alright. Don't look too bad. Very universal. Take that off, put it on the charger. Like I said, this is magnetic too. Oh, it sticks to any metal. Voila. Alright, that's a wrap. I'll have a link in the description of this blue case and the ring. Hope y'all got something from that. It's just another great option when you want to be quick and easy going to a Magsafe charger and still having your ring. Now time for the verse of the day. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 2. By this gospel you are saved, if you hold firmly to the word I preached to you. Otherwise, you have believed in vain. God bless everybody. Hope you have a great day. Love you.